This song is called This Town Needs Rain. And you was a Cadillac in a town built on John Deere Green. You had your bags all packed soon as you got your degree. Said you couldn't stay in a place so worn. Heart had a calling me on these fields of corn. Now nothing's the same like it was before. Only one thing's changed. This town needs rain. This bar needs a jukebox. You've been away and I've been needing what you got. Ain't wanna complain. Damn, it's been too hot. Town needs rain. This bar needs a jukebox. Now I see it everywhere. Guess I never noticed these roads were so shit. All the Miss Debbie's down her clothes. And they turned your granddaddy's church to a gravel pit. Ain't nowhere to go, no wonder you left. If it all dried out, probably be for the best. This run down that tells hope in a glass. How beer do you get back? This town needs rain. This bar needs a jukebox. You've been away and I've been needing what you got. They wanna complain. Damn, it's been too hot. This town needs rain. This bar needs a jukebox. Oh! This town needs rain. This bar needs a jukebox. You've been away and I've been needing what you got. Ain't wanna complain. Damn, it's been too hot. This town needs rain. This old town needs rain. This bar needs a jukebox.